Hey, hello everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. We're down here on the layout, and over the next few days, we're going to have to run some cleaning cars. I have some old Bachmann Placer cleaning cars. They look like futuristic. They almost look like from a monorail at Disney World. They're yellow and they've got they're bullet shaped on both ends, and you fill a little reservoir, and it leaks out the cleaning fluid. And it's got a cleaning scouring pad. I have others by trying to remember my dear old departed friend George used to call them. They sound like a thrashing machine, and it had a weird motor in it. It wasn't me. I keep trying to remember who makes it, but I got that floating around. It's got like four scouring pads, and it's got to be pulled. And some of them are motorized. I got to get that cleaning car out. So that's two. Then I got some others that are tank cars that are pulled, and an old, real old one that I remember I loved as a kid. It's got a tank cleaning car with a pad, and that's from I think Bachmann or one of those old manufacturers. Could have been even AHM. But this right now is one I made myself. It's self-made. It's on some old videos. It's wood, some metal pieces, a big heavy metal weight, some wheels on one end. It's got a KD like coupler, like a real one. This one's got a horn hook, so it could go on any locomotive can pull it. And basically, what it uses, you don't want to really, you just want to clean the tracks. You don't want to brace them. You don't want to have an abrasion there, because then if it gets scratched, dirt's going to get on there faster. As the train goes around, it's going to spark. That's going to like seal the dirt in. So instead, what I use is a furniture a pad that you use to protect the wood, and you get a big square of it. You just cut it to size, and it's under this weight. And hopefully, I didn't leave anything else on the tracks, because sometimes I do that. Now this is a oh, this locomotive is having problems. That means there's something on the track somewhere. Because that's at full power. That's not right. That's not right. See, you never know what to expect. But that's very, very odd. Because that's a reliable, I think it's an Athearn. And it can't be that hard to pull this thing, is it? I mean, you know what? It's got a horn hook coupler. Hey, this has got a horn hook coupler. So maybe it is that hard to pull. I don't know. I mean, it is a drag. It's designed that you could turn those little screw bolts in the center and raise the weight up, so it's less of a drag. But let's try it with two locomotives. I think that was like a Barbie car or something. I don't know. Was it? I'm not sure. The pink Cadillac from the Bruce Springsteen song. That's weird. Is it derailed? Maybe it's derailed. Let's see that front, the truck under the cab. Is it? No. Let's just see how these things go without this thing hooked up. I mean, oh yeah, that is a big drag. See, you can raise this up. So that's like a deep cleaning. Now it's lighter cleaning. Let's see now. Maybe it was set. It was set to deep cleaning, but it's too much of a strain. Oh yeah, that was the drag caused by the cleaning car. Now, I haven't cleaned the other tracks yet. I'll just set some other trains going. These are more modern locomotives, so you think the tracks are clean because they're running, but it's not really true. That's a dirty spot. That's on the other. Pound our way through the mountain. Yeah, we got to get it cleaned up so get some good rolling videos on. All right, that's all I can do for right now. But later on, we'll get stuff. We'll get stuff on there. More cleaning cars, and then we've got to mobilize the mountain ramp that goes all the way up from the lower level, and then we got to get the end scale running up top. And then we got to connect it to the original train set on the other side from when I was a kid. All right. All right, a little bit of improvement, but it's always easier to run just locomotives without rolling stock. Uh-oh, something stalled in there. Something stalled in the mountains, in the tunnel. I'm gonna shut power down. Where is it? Oh, shoot. There's another crash. Shut all the powers down. Well, let's just see where everything crashed. See, no matter what, you can't control. It's power down, power down, power down, power down. Oh, here's one crash. Wow, so this one knocked over the other one. Wow, so I knocked out that. That's the two lower levels. And what was on the upper level? Wait a minute. So that knocked the two lower levels down. That's one power pack. Let's see how we can isolate it. Nothing responding on this. Oh, it's stuck. That one's stuck. And this one's stuck. Off, power off, power off, power off. Oh, just dropped the nuke. That's not good. Or maybe this is NASA. It's not a nuke. Just the crew got killed. That's bad. But the world is safe. Now, I have a feeling he's got stuck in the tunnel on the other side. I wonder how I could access that. You probably would want to see that. Let's go. So, I don't know if we could see it from here. You really can't see it. Must be deeper in that tunnel. All right, I'll have to view that off camera. Hey, thanks for watching and hope you have a great day. Bye for now.